Hi guys, welcome back to TERAtech support. On today's video, I will be showing you guys on how to access Nelson Mandela University Student Portal off campus using an Android device. Okay, to access Nelson Mandela Student Portal, you can use any browser, but in this case, we'll be using Google Chrome. And then you can just go to Chrome, type in NMU Student Portal. The first link that you get, you can click on it. That will take you to the Nelson Mandela University website. Once you're there, then you can just scroll down. Under Student Portal, there's a link with instructions as well how to log in. You click on it. Then that link is going to direct you and get prompted to username and password. You can use two options to log in. The one which is currently shown with Mandela \s student number, or you can use another method or way of logging in, which is as student number at mandela.ac.za. Either one of the two, they should be able to work. If not, then that means there is an issue with your login details, either your username or your password. But if you enter your password incorrectly, it's going to prompt you again, or it will give you an error. But just make sure that they are all correct. So once you've put on your username and password, then from then you can start putting on your password, but just make sure that they are correct. Okay, sorry for that. That is for password protection, but simply as that, you should be able to log in and access the site. Please guys, thank you again for watching the video. Please subscribe and like the video, and also as well share it. Thank you.